So ito na nga, 6 na buwan na po akong walang work. Una na layoff, tapos ngayon naman magkaka-work na sana, bigla namang na-refuse yung aking work permit. So we had to apply for restoration. Nahihintayin na naman namin ng 3 buwan, 'di ba? Ang saya. At ang ibig sabihin lang noon, hindi ka pwedeng magtrabaho ng bonggang-bongga. Wala ka dapat makukuhang pera. Wala kang EI, wala kang child tax support, wala kang health benefits, and so on and so forth. So ano ang tawag doon? 'Di ba? Maliwanag 'yon na nga ba? Hindi. God is good still. He is providing for our needs. At this is the chance to do volunteer work, helping out people with their home, with their needs, also doing veggie gardening, at higit sa lahat, caring for the church people. Saya, di ba?